Welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, I will show you the proxy of MobileHop.com. I will use it in the BitBrowser. I will show you all the setup in the BitBrowser's proxy. I will set up our proxy or VPN, virtual 5G mobile proxy or VPN. You can see their multi-hop package and single hop package. Package is great to create an account. We have to click on the billing portal, then click on create new account. After checking on individual or corporate, I will fill up and then click on the create a new account. Verify the email, then click on login or client area. You can see our account. I took the package for 225 monthly. Click on manage option. You can see our proxy status is active. Click on review, click one next due time. Click on license keyword options. Click on say, and this is click on this disconnected. Now our proxy is connected. We have the take any proxy from here. I will take a proxy me. Click on the connected, and now our proxy is connected. We can see our proxy. Click on HTTP or SOCKS 5 mode. Click on start address port. Username, password. Download the file from the client. I will download a 64-bit file. You can search for make war and please open your client. Login, email, war, username, password. My password. Okay, then logging. I will take the profile and the click the add. Click on this browser's profile. Then here we can click on ads. Then your risk, name, group, mobile, hop. Your wish, name and group, any group name. Platform selected, your platform. Click on others platforms as your wish. Given Instagram username, password. Here to F key you can add a proxy. And proxy type HTTP mode. My proxy HTTP or SOCKS 5 mode. I selected HTTP. MobileHop, my proxy HTTP mode. Okay, then host, port, copy and paste. Username, password, all done. Then check proxy. Proxy is okay. You can change confirm. Click confirm and confirm. Click on okay, open. My proxy is okay. My browser is okay. All okay. Any word use browser, no problem. My MobileHop proxy is very good and very fast speed mobile proxy. very fast and very. Thank you very much all.